have a Valvetronic Designs titanium exhaust. I've never heard it before. It's a brand new design, so I'm extremely excited to try it. We have it pre-laid out, so we're just going to carry it over there in one piece, transfer some hangers over. Hopefully it just pops right in. There is one downfall. Can't rev it.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Yeah.
Big moment here.
Right? Is our child back there eating in the background?
Yeah, he was.
Sponsored by a Whataburger.
The oil's not on the ground.
I was gonna say is if it's not puddling on the floor, then it's a great first sign.
Next will be the coolant if it leaks on your feet. All right. Any flashing light? So flashing means active misfire. An engine light that just comes on means like emission stuff.
That's so nice.
The new exhaust valve, Valvetronic. Open.
That's so nice.
Oh, I thought you were going to tell me it's throwing up out of there. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, you're doing it. Oh, I was like, why is it just doing
So,
that? It's weird.
Okay, so we are ready for the first drive.
A lot of things, honestly.
All right, first time with it moving under its own power. Man, you can hear the turbos. All right, good luck.
We'll see.
Man, this still doesn't seem right. Oh, it's loud. And there it is. So he's, you know, obviously gonna have to break the new motor in and everything, but I'd call that a success. Okay, so that is it. The built motor is in the F10 M5. It's ready to go on its first drive.
I am utterly exhausted. Our whole team is. It is Thursday. We started this thing at Monday night at like 6:30, and it now has 1 mile on it, maybe. I made a loop around our business park here. I'm gonna go down the street, fill it up with fuel, and then we're gonna make a 500-mile trip and just see what happens. So I've got a toolkit. Gage is coming along in his car that we just bagged last night as well. And yeah, we're just gonna send it. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, comment, follow along, and then if we have any like chaos happen along the way, we'll let you know.